This'll be sketchy.
Yeah, agreed.
What friends afraid of,
I'm seeing signs of patrols. Was it Colony 4?
Colony 4.
Colony of bad but elites, led by a commander of great repute. Whole rest of Kevis acknowledge their superiority.
Are you certain? This is Neil Valley.
Right. Like Riku said.
But how can this be? How can their zone of control extend this far out?
Huh? Anyone feel that? A quake?
No, it's... over there!
There you are! You monsters!
Us monsters?
Noah, look!
That's... Ethel!
You said Ethel. You mean Silvercoat Ethel.
You know about her.
Even in Agnes, the name has spread far and wide. Silvercoat Ethel. A veteran soldier unmatched in strength. People would whisper about how she felled 3 colonies at once with just 100 troops. Yeah, but this is Ethel.
We know her name, so?
So, she helped us out once before. She was strong, but kind. She could still help. Noah?
It might not work, but...
Noah!
it's all right. Ethel! It's me! Noah from Colony 9! You know us! You saved us back in Colony 14! You praised my blade! You must remember!
You say I helped you? In Colony 14?
You did!
Really? I've no recollection of helping you!
This is far from all right.
It's pointless.
Sorry. I thought I could convince her. Should have known it wouldn't work.
Taking cover. Bad move.
Very well done, Ethel. I do so love your loyalty. Now, the enemy is before you. Chase them to the ends of the world. Not a single one of them can escape.
So much to see, huh? Enemy reinforcements! Enemy reinforcements!
Yep, just keep them coming. No problem.
Look out!
Risky business.
Doesn't help that their cannons are way too accurate. They shouldn't be able to see us from over there.
How they know location of Manana and friends?
The iris.
There?
Her red iris is doing this. It's relaying our exact position to her troops.
Snuff this!
Lance, 6 o'clock.
Spark!
Again!
The soldiers!
Their whole squad! Those heartless mudders!
Guys, pull back to the cave.
What cave?
We're sitting bunnets out here. In there we can take cover from the volleys.
And after that,
Think about that later.
no plan B!
I didn't have time.
You can't run from me, brats. I've got my eye on you.
Black fog?
Really? Suddenly fog? No big deal. It'll hardly slow me down. I still have eyes on the prize.
This is new. Are we gonna be all enemy reinforcements?
Get away! Gotta keep their attention. Get away!
You think you're all that, do ya?
More enemies! I'll keep them occupied!
Cheers, you're a jet.
I'll draw them! Cheers for that!
Stormy sky.
I'll draw them!
Thanks.
Harry!
Hazy figure.
Overclock!
Another notch on my belt.
Giant swing!
Press our advantage!
Over the target.
Okay. Let me give you a taste! Get away!
Above the enemy! No escape!
Eat this! You won't get away!
Pressure! Above the enemy!
I'll draw them!
Hey, Tyan, have you been hit?
No.
Then what?
The enemy's acting strangely. Something's off.
Off how?
Even when we engage, the other soldiers don't provide backup. It's like none of them have been given orders.
You're overthinking it.
I thought I was at first. Hey, Noah.
Yeah, I agree with Tyon. They did seem kind of slow to respond.
Oh no.
Hey, can we take 5?
What to buy? We could do with some food. I definitely feel stronger.